Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Taking a look today at pulling windows sideways. And there's actually a reason why we're pulling these sideways. And that is because we have a banister railing in the way of these windows. So what we'll do is pull them sideways because we cannot pull them straight down. So pulling sideways, some people like to maybe just go ahead and pre-cut the whole edge right here, pulls the water away. Pull it sideways using a Sorbo 18-inch squeegee with a swivel Sorbo handle. Pulling these sideways, and we'll take a look at the finish here of why. So here's a look, stepping back. So we have this railing in the way of all these windows here, so it makes it a tough pull straight down because the railing sits up. The railing here sits up higher than where the bottom of that window is. That's a look at pulling windows to the side due to obstructions, whatever might be in the way. Good to have different pulling, skills to work around obstacles. So out here, Window Warriors Forum.